Hello everyone, Jose Gregorio here, and today I'll be taking aerial shots with the GoPro Hero 7 mounted on top of a drone. So I like to find out how the Hypersmooth feature performs at 30 frames per second. So let's mount this GoPro Hero 7 on top of it and let's see how the 30 frames per second performs with the Hypersmooth on. So let's see what happens. So as you can see here, I'm not using any special attachments for it. I'm using the GoPro Hero accessories and the sticky tape accessory on top of the Mavic 2 Pro. That should hold pretty well. Okay, let's get this ready. Okay, GoPro Hero 7 is mounted, ready for some aerial shots. All right, let's do this. This time I'm going to point the GoPro upward a little bit because the other day I was filming and I saw that the propellers will show on my pictures, so I don't want that on this aerial shot. So let's get this ready. Recording already? Okay. Alright, so I have the GoPro Hero 7 mounted on the Mavic 2 Pro and I'm going to fly. So I'm going to bring this aircraft down and land with the GoPro Hero 7. Aircraft has landed successfully with the GoPro Hero 7 mounted on it. That was the GoPro Hero 7 Black mounted on the Mavic 2 Pro. If you guys have any comments or questions about this video, please leave them in the comments box down below, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and until my next video, thank you guys for watching.